Hello, so this video is from Ukraine, and before we jump into the footage, just a short briefing. So this video was filmed by members of the International Legion and shows them in urban operations in Bakhmut. It was shared a lot before with music, but I contacted one of the guys and he was so kind to give me access to a raw version for all of us. The group has a total of 3 Instagram pages. I will link them in the description for you, and I would be very glad if you follow them there and show them some support. I will leave the video mostly raw. I only added some text for additional context. I also upscaled the quality a bit to get a little bit more out of the footage. And yeah, let's take a look at it.
Let's push back, let's push back. Yeah, let's push back.
Stop.
Yeah. Clear. Look out for mine. Go.
Backfire!
Alright, let's go, bro.
Go.
I'll cover you. For you.